Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be doing truss example 2. So I have made a simple truss like in the previous video, but there is a member in between and the force F load is applied at this point D. I'll mark this point D. So 5,000 forces applied here. Now we'll first start this problem by identifying the two reaction forces in the truss. So these are our two reaction forces, this one and this one. So this is Fa and this is Fc. Now we will determine the dimensions of the truss. So we are given 10, this is 30. So 10 sine 30 will give us 5. So this length is 5, this length is 5, and 10 cos 30 will give us 8.66 meters. This is 8.66 meters. And this is 45, this is 45, so this will be 5. This is 5. And this one length would be, we can get this length by x. X cos 45 is equals to 5. X cos, let it be x. X cos 45 equals 5. So x is equals to 5 by cos 45, which is equal to 5 by cos 7.07. So this is 7.07 meters. So we have found all the dimensions in the truss. Now we can proceed further. So we will start by summation, by doing summation of torque about point A. So summation of torque about point A equals to 0. This equals to torque. Torque is Fc cross 13.66. So we have Fc cross 13.66, and we have this, we have Fl cross 5 in the negative direction, 5,000 cross 5 in the negative direction. Now from this equation, these values I have got by using right hand rule. This was in positive direction, and for this Fl, this was in negative direction. Now Fc will be calculated as 1830 newtons. So we have got Fc. Now Fc plus Fa equals to 5,000. So we have Fa So we have FA, we have 5000 plus, I'll write the equation here. So we have summation of summation F y equals to 0, that is equals to FA minus 5000 plus FC. FC is 1830, so I'll write 1830. 1830. This all is equals to 0. So we will have FA equals to FA, I'll write it here. FA equals, by calculating this, equating this to 0, we will get FA equals to 3170. 3170 3170 newtons. So we have got FA and FC. FC value is this. So all the reaction forces are known. Now we identify the tension or compression values in the internal forces in the members. Now we have to calculate identify the internal forces in the member. So this is pulling this down. So this member would be in tension. So the internal force in this member would be in to compress. So we have the internal force as shown here. This is the internal force. This is the internal force. Now if this is moving down, then these two would be in this direction. If this is moving down in this direction, the force is in this direction, then the two members of the force will have force in this direction, force in this direction, and the same would be at this point, it will be opposite of this. So it is in this direction and this direction. Now if this is pulling this force is pulling this member, then this will have a tension force in this member. So the internal force will be to compress the member. So we will have in this direction force, in this direction force. Similarly, for this we will have in this direction force, in this direction force. So these are the forces that we have these are the internal forces in the members. Now to calculate the force in the members, we will take any point. I'll start by taking point C. So point C, if we take point C, then for point C we will have one force is in this direction, one force is in this direction, another is in this direction, and this one is in this direction, third one is in this direction. So this is FC is 1830. Here we have 1830. First we will calculate the this angles. So this is 30 degrees, this is 90 degrees, so this would be 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this one is 90, and this is point C. So we can, and this one is FBC, FBC, this one is FCD, this one is FCD. So we can now apply sine rule. So sine rule will give us 1830 divided by sine 30 is equal to FBC by sine 90, FCD by sine 60, FCD by sine 60. So this is the relation that we have got uh, from this sine rule. We have got this equation. From this we will get FCD, FBC and FCD. So FBC will be calculated as FBC will be calculated as 3660 newtons. 3660 newtons. Then FCD will be calculated as 3170 newtons. 3170 newtons. Now we have got values of this one and this one. Now let's take a look at point D. Point D value at point C at point D. So point D we are having four forces. 5000, this force, I'll make it here. We have a 5000 force here. We have a 5000 force here. We have a force in the upward direction. We have a force in this direction. And we have a force in this direction. So this force we know FCD. FCD is 3170 and FAD is this and FBD is this. Now we can clearly see that this force will be equal to this force and this force will be equal to this force, because there is no other forces in this direction. In the horizontal direction there is only FAD, in the vertical direction there is only FBD. So we will have FBD equals to 5000 newtons and FAD equals to 3170 newtons. FAD equals to 3170 newtons. Now let's take a look which one member is left. So we have analyzed this joint. We haven't got FAB. FAB we haven't got. So we'll analyze point B. So at point B we have three forces. Three forces that we are having at point B are: one is in this direction, one is in this direction, in the downward direction, that we know, that is equals to FBD, FBD 5000. 5000. And second force that we are having is in this direction, and third force that we are having is in this direction. Now the angles. So this is 30. So we can say that this, if this is 30, then, or this is going up. So this is 45. So the angle this will make with the vertical will be 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. This is going in this way, in this direction. This is 30. So this one would be 60. This one would be 60. So this one is 60. And the rest would be 180 minus 60 plus 40. That is 175. This would be 75. So we have got all the three angles, and we have got FBC. FBC is equal to 3660, 3660, and this one is FAB. So from this triangle, we will have, by sine rule, FAB by sine 60 equals 5000 by sine 75. 5000 by sine 75. This will imply FAB, we will get 4483. 4483 newtons. So we have got how many forces? FAB? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got 5 forces and 2 reactions. One reaction is here and one reaction is here. So all the reactions in the members are calculated as shown here in the boxes. So that was all for today, guys. You can have a look at the board. So that was all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give a like, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.